Welcome back again, guys. So here is this one info. So guys, Merry Christmas to all of us. So in this short tutorial, I want to show you guys how to get or where to get VPS scripts. Okay, if you've gotten a new VPS, okay, you have a VPS but you don't have the scripts or you don't know where to get scripts, I'm going to show you guys where you can easily get scripts for all the protocols. I mean the popular ones, which the UDP protocol and the SSH. Okay, so just go to your Chrome browser and open it and search for this one info. Okay, so in the first one, this particular one, okay, this particular one, you click on it. So when it opens, when the page opens, then you come to this area, tools. You click on tools. Okay, click on tools, you wait for it to open, then you scroll down. So here, if you can't see the writings, or you can just turn on the light mode. Okay, so this the particular one that you are looking for. This is the particular one, VPS script. Okay, so you click on it to open. Okay, so it is open. It has opened. So here we have the Dragon VPS manager script. Okay, and we have the Wolf VPS manager script, and we have the third one too. We have ZI VPN UDP script, and we have the last one, the UDP custom script. Okay, so any of them that you want, you can just click on copy, this copy button, then you copy it onto your phone's clipboard. After then you go and install it. Okay, see, this one is very simple. Okay, just search for this one info. When you search for it on the home page, you click on this in tools. After clicking on tools, it will open. Then you select VPS script, then you come to this page, you get everything. Okay, so you just click on copy. You just click on copy. Okay, this particular one, click on it like this. It will copy onto your clipboard, then you go and install it. So those of us who don't know how to install it, in my next video I'll show you guys how to install it. Okay, so kindly stay tuned to my channel for more future updates. Thank you.